Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Good teacher. May I ask Roslyn to come in front and talk about here? Okay, let us pray. Angel of God, the redemption deed, bring us love in this new day. That very soon, the utmost sight, the light and God, the word and God. Thank you. Thank you, Roslyn. Before you take your seats, please arrange your chairs and align it and fix all the dirt under your chair. Okay, so class secretaries, there is any absent for today? None, teacher. Very good. And but before we proceed to our discussion, I have here our rules that we need to follow until the end of our discussion. So raise your hand if you want to say something or if you share your answer regarding the topics, and then work quietly. And then listen carefully. Of course, you're going to listen to me because later on I have a lot of questions that you need to answer. Is that clear? Yes, teacher. And then respect others. Of course, you're going to respect each other because in my class I don't tolerate bullying. Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, but before that, we're going to have a warm-up exercise para naman maging active ang inyong mind sa pakikinig sa akin as pagsagot sa mga katanungan na itatanong ko sa inyo later on. Is that clear?
Yes,
Are you excited to have your warm-up exercise?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, kindly stand. And you're going to follow this. Okay. Come on, class. Okay, thank you, guys. Can you take your seat? So, did you enjoy the warm-up exercise?
Yes, teacher.
So, what are the exercises that we do based from that video? Yes, Roslyn.
Teacher, jumping.
Very good. How about those legs?
Teacher, they stretching their arms.
Stretching their
Arms.
How can you stretch your arms?
Like this, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So, before we proceed to our discussion, I prepared here a song that we're going to sing. We're going to sing. So, this song is entitled Jumping, Jumping. Firstly is, I am going to sing it, and later on you will going to sing it also. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
First is jumping, 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 hop, 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 running, running, running. Now we can stop. Then you should go to, if we, kung natutunan natin tong, now we can stop, ang gagawin mo is, mag-stop kayo. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Again. So can we stand and sing this song? After jumping, and then the last is walking. Do you know how to hop?
Yes.
Okay. So, in 3, 2, 1. Jumping, jumping, hop, hop, hop. Running, running. you enjoy the song that we sang earlier?
Yes,
Okay, very good. So before we formally start our lesson, we have here our objective that you need to attend until the end of our discussion. So at the end of the lesson, you, my pupils, are expected to be able to define locomote skills of jumping. Perform the locomote skills of jumping through sack race game, and appreciate the importance of locomotor skill of jumping in our everyday lives by giving an example. Naintindihan niyo ba kung ano yung objectives natin ngayon?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So based on the song that we sang, what are the action songs that we have done? Anyone? Yes, Roslyn.
Teacher,
Hap, what else?
jumping, running,
Thank you. How about you, Lardy Zapal?
walking, teacher.
Yes, correct. And all your answers are correct. So, do you have any idea what is the general term of those movement na sinabi nyo kanina?
None, teacher.
None. How about you, Anna?
None, teacher.
None. So, if that's the case, those movement that you said earlier is called locomotor skills. Locomotor skills are the movement of our body which occur from one place to another or change direction. Ito yung mga movement na nag-move tayo in another place. Pumupunta tayo sa in another place. Example yung ginawa natin kanina na pag-jumping. Ano pa? Running. Ano pa? Walking. And then hopping. Nag-change ba tayo ng place?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So, why do we say that movement that we did while ago is an example of locomotor skill?
Because
Yes, can you stand?
because we change in direction, teacher.
Exactly. That's correct. So, there are a lot of locomotor skill. However, today we are only going to focus on the one locomotor skills which is jumping. Maraming mga kinds of movement na sinasabi natin locomotor skills, pero nakafocus dito sa discussion natin, mag-focus lang tayo sa isang locomotor skill. Ito ay ang jumping. So can we read this class?
Jumping is an action performed by springing off the ground using both legs. It can be done through forward, backward, left side, or right side.
So, jumping is an action performed by springing off the ground using both legs. So, where's your legs?
Here, teacher.
So, we're going to use these both our legs. So, it can be done through forward. Do you know what? Where is the forward?
Yes.
How about backward?
Yes.
Sideward?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Since that meron na kayong background knowledge dito based sa mga answers nyo, magkakaroon tayo ng activity mamaya. Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
So, to practice the locomotor skills of jumping, I will be going to playing the music. And kung may narinig kayong jump, left, anong gagawin nyo?
Jump left.
Very good. How about jump forward?
Jump forward.
Okay, so ipa-play ko yung music dito, or music or video is, kapag narinig nyo yung mga yung sinasabi ng video na yung gagawin nyo. Is that clear? Para malaman kung talagang alam nyo ang different para malaman ko kung alam nyo ba talaga ang pag-jump sa forward, left, and side. So, pagmasdan na mabuti.
Read English Kids.
Can you stand and of course you're going to do kung marinig yung mga salitang jump left.
Read English pin. Let's jump to the beat. Let's jump to the beat. Jump to your left side,
Okay.
jump to your right side,
Where's your right side?
jump to the front side.
Right side.
Spin around,
Around.
say yeah,
Yeah.
clap your hands to the beat. Clap your hands to the beat. Clap up high, clap down low, clap on your knees. Now stop, spin around, say yeah, yeah. Let's jump.
Okay, thank you, class. You may now take your seat. Now that you already mastered the skills of jumping, let us have the game called sack race. Familiar ba kayo sa sack race?
Yes, teacher.
Naglaro ba kayo ng sack race?
Yes, teacher.
Rosin, maaari ko bang i-share sa amin kung paano maglaro ng sack race?
Teacher, nung naglaro kami ng sack race, gumamit kami ng sapo.
Saku, yes, sack. And then,
Oo na, ang gamit yung tali sa front, gamit ang
okay, thank you. So, we're going to play a game, sack race, but narito yung mga instruction kung paano nyo laruin ang sack race. Iba yung instruction nyo sa paglalaro ng sack race, iba din yung instructions ko sa paglalaro ng sack race. Is that clear? Okay, first is you will group into 2 groups. And then each group will form a straight line. Then there are 2 chairs 3 meters away from each group. Those chairs will serve as your point of reference where each participant from the group will go around the chair. Yun yung pupuntahan nyo, paunahan kayo pumunta dun sa chair, and then iikot kayo dun, tapos babalik kayo sa pwesto nyo. And then first person in the line of each group will be the first participant of the race. Each participant will step inside the sack on heads out while holding the side of sack with both your legs. And then both of your hands. That if I say go, the first person will jump towards and reference point, go around the chair and jump back to your legs. Siyempre, kapag sack race, ano yung gagawin natin? Nag-run ba tayo? Running ba ang ginagamit natin sa sack race?
yes, teacher.
No, it's not running, it's jumping or hopping. And then, when the first participant reaches back to your own line in the group, the next participant will follow the same procedure until all members of the group will be able to participate and race. The first group will be able to finish ahead of the other will be declared as the winner. So, paunahan lamang yung sack race hanggang matapos yung isang line, yung grupo nyo. And then, ang unang matapos na mag-sack race in each group will be, they will be the winner. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so kindly, the group 1 is Roslyn team and group 2 is Larry Jamal team. Okay, so coming front. And then, Larry Jamal, can you put 1 chair there? Oh. So, dito ang line nyo, paunahan kayong pupunta doon. Don't worry, nakalagay lang dyan is rice. Okay lang na ibaba nyo, okay lang na hanggang dito, basta Wait lang. Okay. Wait lang. Picture lang. Yung sign. Signal ko. So, ikaw, Rosie, itong line mo, and then, ikaw, Randida, by din yung line mo. Clear na ba lahat? At the count of, wait, dapat, at the count of 3 and go, you're going to 1, 2, 3, go! Ang nanalo ay Rosie! Yay! Can you give a round of applause to the Rosie team? Okay, very good. Nag-enjoy ng ba kayo sa laro natin?
Yes, teacher.
So ano yung ginawa niyo sa paglaro kanina?
Nag-shop, teacher, and shop.
Yung jump and napagod ba kayo?
Yes.
Okay, for you to rest your body, you do hands. Para mag-raise yung mga katawan ninyo kasi alam ko na pagod kayo sa paglalaro kanina. Kakantahin natin ninyo, I have 2 hands. Okay.
I got two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Left and suddenly, 1, 2, 3. Little hands are good to see. I got two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Left and suddenly, 1, 2, 3. Little hands are good to see. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Left and softly, 1, 2, 3. Little hands are good to see. Little hands are good to see.
Okay. So now class, naiintindihan niyo ba talaga kung ano ang topic natin ngayon? Yung na-discuss natin ngayon?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so what is locomotor skill again? Anyone? Yes, Roasting.
Locomotor teacher, ito yung skills or movement of our body which occur from place to another place.
Kagaya ng?
Kaya na running,
Yes.
dancing, and hopping.
So, anong locomotor skills ang ginamit ninyo kanina nung naglalaro kayo? Nung naglalaro kayo ng sack race? Yes, Anna.
Jumping teacher.
Jumping, that's correct. Okay, so is jumping help in our health? Health, does it give importance in our daily lives?
Yes.
Why do you say so? Yes. Nag-double.
Teacher, kasi po pag nag-jump tayo ay pwede rin tayong mag-exercise at yung body natin is made stronger, teacher.
Very good. How about you, Princess?
Teacher, nakatulong tayo mag-jump if you are fat.
Jump.
So that the fat in your body
Will release. Okay, very good. So, since that you really understand our topic for today,
go home na.
are you excited to go home?
Yes, teacher.
But remember, you have a great performance. However, may I ask everybody to please continue doing exercise at your home. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Is that clear, Roslyn?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Spend at least 10 minutes each day to develop more your locomotor skills. So, kailan ba tayo nag-exercise? Sa umaga ba? Sa gabi? Ano? What time? In the early morning. Very good. How about you, Rizapal? Hindi kaya ka nag-exercise?
Nag-exercise ko pa, teacher.
Okay, so in
the early morning.
Okay, so we need to exercise early morning para pagpasok natin sa eskwelahan is active na, lagi nakahanda ng ating katawan na papasok sa eskwelahan. Very good. So that's all for today, but okay, thank you. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye.